Welcome to this presentation on self-assembled bio-inspired short metallopeptide nanostructures for plausible biomedical applications. This research was conducted by Shruti Sharma et al. And published in recently. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating area of science that could revolutionize how we approach health. We all know that our bodies need certain metals, like iron or copper, to function. But what happens when we have too much or too little of these vital elements? These imbalances can lead to serious health issues, from growth disorders to chronic diseases. Did you know that about one third of all proteins and enzymes in your body rely on tiny metal ions to function correctly? This highlights just how critical these metals are and why finding better ways to manage them is so important. Our research offers a fresh, bio inspired approach to tackle this challenge. Imagine you have a special set of Lego bricks. These aren't just any bricks, they're smart bricks that can change shape and connect differently depending on what other pieces you add. That's essentially what we did in our lab. We designed a tiny bio inspired molecule, a short metallopeptide conjugate, or SMPC, which is like our special Lego brick. This SMPC is made from natural components, mimicking how nature uses proteins. We then synthesized this molecule in the lab and carefully observed how it naturally assembled itself into tiny structures like miniature rings or spheres. The real magic happened when we introduced different metal ions like iron or copper. We watched closely using advanced microscopes and other tools to see how these metal connectors change the shape and behavior of our SMPC structures. Our visual metaphor for this slide is a Lego brick with special connection points and various metal-shaped Lego pieces showing how they combine to form different structures. Our biggest discovery, our big win, is that this single simple peptide can be programmed to build dramatically different nanostructures just by changing its concentration or by adding specific metal ions. Think of it like this. With the same basic Lego brick, we could build a tiny donut-shaped ring at a lower concentration. But if we simply increase the concentration, the same bricks would reconfigure themselves into perfect little spheres. Even more exciting, when we introduced specific metal ions, the structures transformed again. For example, adding iron ions turned our donut-shaped rings into thin, elongated fibers, and when we added copper ions, those same rings rearranged into beautiful radial disc-shaped nanomats. These aren't random changes. They are predictable and controllable, giving us a powerful new tool to create materials with specific functions. So, how does this fit into our world today? This research provides a new, simple, and potentially cost-effective way to create smart nanomaterials. Because these tiny structures can be programmed to change shape and interact with specific metal ions, they open up incredible possibilities. Imagine tiny customizable delivery trucks for medicine that can target specific cells or tissues, releasing their cargo only when needed. Or think of miniature sensors that can detect metal imbalances in your body with unprecedented accuracy, allowing for earlier diagnosis and intervention. These bio-inspired materials could be crucial for developing next-generation metal drugs, creating advanced biosensors, and even helping to maintain the delicate nutritional balance of metals in living organisms, from humans to plants. Looking ahead to the next 5 years, how might this research change your daily life? First, imagine personalized metal therapies. If you have a metal deficiency or an excess, your doctor might prescribe tiny, custom built nanostructures that precisely deliver a missing nutrient or safely remove an excess metal without the side effects of current treatments. Second, your everyday supplements could become smarter. Your vitamin and mineral supplements might evolve into smart nanoparticles that release their metallic components exactly where and when your body needs them most, improving absorption and effectiveness. Finally, expect advanced diagnostics. Quick, at-home tests could become available that use these peptide nanostructures to detect metal imbalances in your body with unprecedented accuracy, allowing for earlier intervention and better health management. This research isn't just about tiny molecules. It's about a future with more precise, effective, and personalized healthcare for everyone.